Hello everyone. So this is the fourth video of our series where we are solving the questions which are asked in Microsoft. Okay, so you can check in tags, topic tags. Topic tags, not company tags. So you can see the Microsoft Amazon in this company. This question is asked in interview or online assessment. Okay, so this is an easy question. So let's see. Frequencies in a limited array. You are given an array ARR containing positive integers. The elements in the array ARR range from 1 to n, where n is the size of the array, and some numbers may be repeated or absent. Okay, so your task is to count the frequency of all the numbers in the range 1 to n and return an array of size n such that result of I represent the frequency of the number I. Okay, so if you see this example, ARR, okay, this array, you can see, I'll copy this. Yeah. So, how many times one occurs? Zero. How many times two occurs in this array is two. How many times this three occurs in this array is two. How many times this does the four occurs zero times? How many times the five occurs is one time. So what is our answer? 0, 2, 2, 0, 1. Simple. 0, 2, 2, 0, 1. Okay. You understood the question? Okay. Now what we have to do is we have to count. Basically we have to count, right? So we have to count and just return the array. Return the list. Okay. So how we can do that is here you can see our array elements are from what? From 1 to array dot size, that means n, 1 to n. In the last question, in the last video, we have seen the similar type of question where we are using the hash concept. Okay, so here today we will be using hash concept. You can either use a hash map also, but today I'll be using a hash array. Okay, why? Because we know the size, right? We know the size, then we can build an array which, let's say we have array of size 5, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Consider this as 0, that means this is our number 1 or number 2, or you can say this 1 is even 1. So how many times 1 occurs we can store at first place, how many times 2 occurs we can store it at second place, second index, third index, fourth index. So if the size is 5, okay, if the size is here, you can see the size is 5. So till 5, the numbers are there. So till, this is a one based indexing as it is given. Okay, so till 5 is there. So to get the fifth 5 as an index, we need a size of 6. So length plus 1. So array dot length plus 1, we want a hash array, and we can store. So let's store it. Int hash is equal to new int what? Let's take int n is equal to array dot length, and we will use the same n here. And let's traverse this our array int num arr hash of num plus plus. Okay, now our hash we got like this. Okay, yeah, like this. So just the thing is, let's of integer, list your answer is equal to new linked list. Okay, and now we will traverse in I is equal to 1 from 1. Okay, from 1 I less than n I plus plus. Wait, we did one mistake, is that here it should be n plus 1, and here also n plus 1, and we will add answer dot add hash of I. That is it. We will return an answer. So let's run this. So from the first index, okay, so we are checking from the first index. So you can see we are getting our output. Let's check with another one. We will, okay, 3, 3, 3, 3. Yeah, so we are getting the answer. If I put only one, Yeah, you are getting the correct answer. So in this way you can solve this question. This is the one way. As I say in every video that there are multiple ways to solve any question. But in this video I am specifically solving this question using the hash concept. Okay, hashing. So you must know these things like hashing, prefix concept and all. Okay, so because this will be used in any one or other question. Okay, basically it will be used in array and string concept, string topic questions. Okay, so most importantly hashing. So you should know this thing hash wala part, like how you will, for numbers you will consider one as first index, you'll store the frequency, or you can use them hash map also. But here it was the defined, we know the array size, that is why we are using this. But like in characters also, like as I did char minus like c minus a character, so you'll get a zero. So we map a with zero index, b with first index. So for that you have to solve multiple questions, then only you will build a logic and all. Okay, so in this way only you have to practice for a placement and all. I also prepared in this way only. I started like randomly. Initially I started with a random question like this questions I solved in the initial like second year and all, and then later I started doing the questions on like topic and this that. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe my channel, stay updated.